Welcome to this brief introduction of a feature within Delinea Secret Server, an enterprise tool used for privileged access management. Today, I'm going to show you how to use CheckOut. CheckOut is a function that allows users to have exclusive access to a secret for a configured amount of time. Optionally, we can also have secrets rotate their passwords once a checkout period expires. During the checkout period, no other users can access the secret except for unlimited administrators with unlimited admin mode enabled. To configure CheckOut, we first need to ensure it is enabled within the remote password changing menu of Secret Server. Navigate to your administration menu and then click Remote Password Changing. Once we're in this sub-menu, click on the Edit button and ensure the settings are configured accordingly. To enable password changing on check-in, ensure that this setting is enabled. This interval here is the default time allowed for CheckOut enabled secrets. In my demonstration, I will be modifying this value at the secret level. Once finished, click Save. Now we need a secret that we can use to enable checkout on. Navigate to your secrets. I'm going to select this secret here. For this particular secret, I'm going to use a privileged account to perform the rotation for me. To configure that, we click on the Remote Password Changing tab and assign that secret here. To enable the checkout function, we click on the Security tab. Click on the Edit button and click on the checkbox. This gives you the option to set the interval, whether 30 minutes by default, or a custom interval within this radial button. I'm going to choose 4 hours. Additionally, there's the option here to change password on check-in, which means when the user checks in the secret, it's going to rotate the password after that check-in period. When you click Save, it's going to set the status of the secret to checked in. To check out the secret, all you need to do is click on the Checkout button. Once the secret is checked out, you can see there is a timer in the top right of the screen. This timer determines how long until the secret is automatically checked in by the application. Alternatively, users can click on Check-in to manually check in the secret. Once the secret is checked in, the password is automatically rotated. To be able to get the new password, I would need to check out the secret, repeating this checkout process.